Party people, how is everyone doing? We're out here in Altaloma, and I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but I am not a fan, not one bit, of retail garage door openers, whether it's from Chamberlain, Genie, it doesn't matter, especially from the no-name brands. And well, when it comes to garage door openers that are bought or purchased from Amazon, Home Depot, any of those retail giants, I have issues with how these openers are packaged and how they're built. But there is one opener that I wanted to talk to you guys about that I think might be worth your attention. This is my review on the Genie 7155L. Now, if you visit Genie's website, you'll be able to find this motor under their retail DIY motors, as in do-it-yourself product line. Apparently, this particular motor, the model 7155L TKV, is sold exclusively at Costco. And the question that we're going to answer in this video is, who should buy this motor? So if the 7155 looks familiar, it's because it's similar to the other models in this line, like the 7055 or the 3053 and even the 3120 HB Connected Pro series. This particular model has a nice design and is more curvy than its siblings. The distinct feature to the 7155L is that it comes with built-in LEDs. Thus, this is Genie's answer to the LED motor that LiftMaster currently offers. Now, the unboxing experience is a tedious event. This particular model comes packaged with everything you could possibly need for its installation, and that might be a challenge. Some do-it-yourselfers and handymen might overlook a piece thinking it's insignificant. But trust me, party people, every piece to a motor install counts. Omitting one might shorten the life of your motor and can potentially be a safety issue. As a reminder, this particular model is California State Bill 969 compliant for your battery backup needs. Now, if you can decipher Genie's retail manuals, then you're smarter than a 5th grader. Genie felt the need to provide a color-coded manual schematics that's supposed to look easy to follow, but trust me folks, it's not. So I suggest that you invest the time to study the installation manual and get familiar with some of the step-by-step directions before starting. The truth is, they put a lot of detail into their installation manual, so if you follow it meticulously, then you should be okay. It's no secret that I'm not a fan of the retail rail assemblies. I have seen my share of them fail. They easily bend when put under tremendous strain or stress, and that's why most dealer installers will shy away from them. So if you want a motor with a single-piece solid-state rail assembly, then I recommend any other motor from Genie's professional line. Or if you hire a professional dealer installer, ask what it would cost to have them install a solid-state one-piece rail assembly to this motor. To apply the belt assembly, you will need to wrap the belt onto the rail and make sure you pull it through the sprocket support pulley and trolley carriage. Now, with the turnbuckle, you want to start turning counterclockwise to bring the two end bolts together. From there, you can attach the rail assembly to the motor head. Utilize the rail straps that come in the orange hardware bag, and secure the rail with the self-drilling screws in the same bag. After doing that, you can apply the belt cover retainer. This is one of those pieces that might seem insignificant, but are very important. Once your header bracket is on, go ahead and prop up the motor safely to get connected. Genie makes this part easy with the necessary cotter pin to hang your motor. Once this is done, secure the bolts to the turnbuckle for a tight fit. Remember that one of those bolts is a reverse turning thread. Be gentle when tightening. The installation of the turnbuckle is a very important step, so don't skip it. You can now replace your photosensor eyes, aka safety beams, and install the wall button. Ensure that the battery backup is placed onto the back of the motor properly. Now you can begin the programming process. Programming the travel limits will start with the down travel by pressing and holding the down arrow button until the long blue light flashes. You can adjust the travel accordingly by pressing the up travel button. Once that is done, hold down the program button to set the down travel limit. From there, you can hold the up travel button and wait for the small round blue light to flash. You can now hold the up button for the desired up travel position. Make any adjustments necessary. Then hold the program button to save the up travel limit. Then you're done. After doing that, you should be able to incorporate the Wi-Fi feature with your Android or iOS device. This particular model also comes Wi-Fi capable and integrates with some other smart home products such as Google Home, Alexa, and Amazon. Some fees may apply. So what does the Genie 7155L sound like once it's all put together? Well, hear for yourself. Okay, party people, again, this is Genie's answer to the demand for built-in LED bulbs. And I'll be honest with you, I'm a little confused because Genie already sells a fantastic LED bulb. So the inclusion of this type of motor in their retail line seems redundant. Or maybe they're just trying too hard to cover every feature a customer might want. Now, why does this matter? Well, it should be noted that LiftMaster doesn't sell LED light bulbs. You can use an aftermarket LED bulb, but these bulbs have been known to emit an electrical interference that will affect the range of the remote transceiver signal. So Genie's bulbs don't have that interference, and thus they are the better bet in looking for a garage door motor rated LED bulb. So who should buy the 7155L? Well, property managers might consider it only if they can get an experienced installer. If you're selling your home, I'd look at a different model, one that's not so feature-rich. Professional handymen shouldn't have a problem installing it. Avid DIYers should do alright with the installation of this motor. A licensed contractor installer should offer a better model with similar features, or at the very least a one-piece solid-state rail assembly for this motor. But that might be tough to do, because at the publication of this video, the 7155L went on sale for an insanely low price. Honestly, a price like that is hard to beat. So if you can find this motor for a killer deal, then it might be worth your money. And if you're a first-time DIYer and you're trying to tackle this project on your own, take your time and follow the instructions closely. If all else fails, call a professional. This review video was made possible by a purchased Genie 7155L installed by SOS Garage Door Service. The Genie company did not pay SOS Garage Door Service to make a review video of this motor, nor did the Genie company receive an approval copy of this review. This is just one contractor's opinion to help you make a better buying decision. So like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification button, especially if you value honest and straightforward garage door motor reviews. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay safe.